All right, here's a final rendering. Fridge leg flush with these base cabs. This will be 1.5 inches wide, as well as this here. Black shelves. This is a slab drawer front or door here. It hinges up. It's a little hard to see that way. This will hinge straight up. Tray divider. This was split originally. I put a couple shelves here. You have 10.5 inches for tray divider storage. I didn't think you needed another one here, but if you do, these shelves just can come out. A roll out here, I added that too. Typically the tray dividers or cookie sheets aren't needed. They're not as tall as the inside depth of that cabinet. That's our height inside, 24 1/16. This didn't change. That's the panel to the floor. Then if you can give me a measurement from the bottom of that header to the floor, that's one thing I did not get. Dry pantry, this did not change. These are the open cabinets, maple shelf, maple deck. That's the cabinet on the wall, 15 inches deep. Sink cab, trash. And that was it. Looking at the list. And yeah, these are all on the same plane. Okay.